Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2016 Chevrolet Colorado Z71. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, power running boards, as well as Goodyear tires, and much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone black and gray interior with paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It's going to come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, the chrome accent handle. We got these black running boards here as well, and onto the seats, the power and manual hybrid two-tone leather seats, both heated, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your lighting control in 2- and 4-wheel. Left side will be your cruise control, and the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. The odometer here, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, all that fun stuff, as well as audio, phone connectivity, navigation, and other settings as well. Classic key, and onto the infotainment, you got the Chevrolet MyLink with projection, wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your built-in navigation as well, and traffic and OnStar if you choose to sign up. You're gonna have the climate controls just on the bottom as well as your trailing mode and your cargo bed lighting, and as well as hill descent control. Got the heated seats, and more storage with USB, auxiliary, and a 12-volt. Shift at the bottom, cup holder, and extra storage as well. Passenger side, same finish. Two-tone, goes all the way across the dash. Got the Bose speaker up top. And then here you can access your OnStar and SOS, and your reading lamps and sunglass case holder. You got these 17-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Kevlar Wrangler all-terrain tires. You got the paint match mirror caps and door handles as well. The Z71. You got the backflip tonneau cover with paint match corner step bumper, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under, black emblem. You also got the bed tie downs inside as well. It's a pretty spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, again, more paneling storage with the cup holder, speakers and the power windows. The back, pretty good legroom, storage behind the passenger side. You have 2 USB ports as well as a 12-volt. You got cup holder and armrest right in the center. Seats fold up for more storage. Manual rear sliding window with lamps up top and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2016 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as built-in navigation, Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires, running boards, backflip tonneau cover, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.